Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study lecture number 5 from the time of Hazrat Umar. So today's lesson is about Battle of Qadisiya. So I have told you earlier there will be a series of battle which took place during the time of Hazrat Umar from the against Romans and the Persians. So we are studying war against the Persians. So this is gonna be the most important battle took place in the time of Hazrat Umar against the Persians. Okay, let's start studying the battle. One of the important battle took place in the time of Hazrat Umar against the Persians, because Persian came with their full might in order to stop Muslim once for all, because Muslim was capturing their cities and area day by day. Reason: the Persian king, he could not forget the defeat in the battle of Boab, because his honor and prestige was at stakes, and his well-known commander was killed by the Muslim in the battle of Boab. So he thought that I need to stop Muslim once for all. So he started to arrange a huge army against Muslim. So because of this, war took place against the Muslim at the place Qadisiya. On this, Hazrat Umar actually, he also knew that actually Persian are gathering their army. So that is why he gave order in all areas of the world of Islamic State, and he made announcement about jihad. So people started to come to him in great in number, and they started to prepare for the great battle against the Persians. So Hazrat Sa'd bin Abi Waqqas was chosen as a commander of Muslim. So he was given instruction by Abu Bakr Siddiq that you need to lead the army. So with the instruction of Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Sa'd bin Abi Waqqas, he started to march his journey towards a specific place near the bank of a river known as Qadisiya. When Muslim reached over there, they sent a delegation and invite to the Persian emperor, to the Persian court, that you need to accept the proposal of Islam, you need to accept the message of Islam. But he insulted the Muslim envoy, and he sent the Muslim envoy empty-handed. So that was a great shock for the Muslim. So Hazrat Sa'd bin Abi Waqqas, basically he was waiting for something from the Persian side, and it happened. The Persian king, he appointed Rustam, the great warrior of that time, against Muslim to defeat the Muslim in the battle of Qadisiya. He was known for his bravery and courage, and he said that I'm going to destroy Muslim, I'm going to kill the Muslims by using their own tactics. So being unwell, Hazrat Sa'd bin Abi Waqqas, he instructed the army to move forward. He started to give instruction from his sick bed, and actually furious battle took place in that time at the place of Qadisiya, as we have studied that. So that was battle actually lasted for 3 days. Both parties, both armies attacked on each other with bravery and courage. Thousands of people died from both sides. So the war, actually, it was very brutal war. The face of earth never saw the battle like this, because Roman was 100 and 1,000 in numbers, while the Muslims were comparatively was less in number. So during that battle, Muslims started to focus on their leader Rustam, and he was killed during the battle when he was going to leave the battlefield. So this changed the tide of the battle. The people of Romans, Persia, the soldier of Persia, they lose their heart when they heard this, when they saw this, the leader has been killed by the Muslim. So they started to accept the defeat. So Muslim, actually, this is how Muslim got the victory in the battlefield, and Muslim sealed the future of the Persia. So these are the events of battle of Qadisiya. You need to study, you need to consult from both books, not only from these books, but also you need to go from other sources like History of Islam is the most important source in this regard, which will help you to understand the importance and detail of the battles. So end. How we are going to write down the end? So backbone of Persian's army was completely broke down by the Muslim in the battle of Qadisiya, and the Muslims started to go further in the Iran without any kind of a great hurdle or great difficulty. So this is how you need to read, you need to understand the topic. Okay, my dear student, tomorrow inshallah we are going to conclude the battle from the Persian side. Until then, Allah Hafiz.